Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. It's going to take a quick look at how to trade AAVE. This is AAVE paired with Bitcoin. What I'm looking for is this breakout signal here that you see up top here. Our indicators are giving us an excellent entry for a short. Let me show you why. 4-hour chart. Notice these shaded zones. This one here, this is a key distribution level. We're looking for the opportunity when trades back into this level. Okay, we can see that the market is clearly in a downtrend and we're trading through our cloud. Our crypto strength indicator is showing weakness, lower highs all through here. You can isolate AAVE and Bitcoin if you're trading this pair. At the moment they're fairly correlated. Back here was an opportunity. We can still trade these when they're correlated. Let me show you how. When you see these zones marked up here, we're looking for the opportunity when it trades back in. And as we can see, it's bearish. All we want is a correlation on the 4-hour chart, 30-minute chart. So here we can see it's clearly trading south. We're trading in the cloud. And on the 30-minute, we're looking for either in or out of the cloud opportunity. Okay, so we can see that when this fired, the 30-minute was in the cloud, so that gets a tick. The only thing is we really want to see the majority of these in the same color of the trade. And at this point, if we mark that up, if you've got so many check boxes in your criteria and one or two of them isn't ticked, it increases the risk. Okay, so this one is showing 3 out of 5 green, so that would be a no-go. So you need to work out whether you want to take this trade or not. Given that it's traded back into a key distribution level, you can see I've marked this up, pull it across, and we have a lower high here. You might consider that to be a viable proposition, given that this is pretty bearish. So let's just go down to the 3-minute and see how we take this trade. What we're looking for is the retest of the distribution level, and we actually got that back here. Okay, so that would have been one opportunity to take the trade from this point on. We also had this bearish, so we're only looking for the red breakout signals. So we had a bearish breakout here. This pullback would have been ideal, short. If you preferred to wait, the second retest of this level here would be your cue. Retests this red dotted line here. That's your point of interest right there. Take it here or here. We're looking for these lower highs after the breakout. That's your trade. Nice outcome. So this is my crypto layout. Bring these back in. You can see the altcoins that we've got in here. I'll be doing regular videos on this, on our strategy. And you're welcome to join our Discord group. It's free to join. This is Discord here. We've just been in the chat room. But this section under here, this is the free section. You're welcome to this. Okay, we've got a Bitcoin trade signal that I posted in here. It's doing really well at the moment. Tutorials. Gain access to the indicators. Go up here, join VIP. You can see our trade signals are pretty good. We will be adding crypto in here in future. I've had a bit of a holiday from the crypto space, but getting back into it from today onwards, and then head over to the website. Shop me a hamburger every month and you've got full access. Great value. Okay guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.